Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad SE, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, simply pull down your toggles from the top right side of your screen, and then you can swipe on it once more, and this will extend the list of toggles right here. And as you can see, one of those toggles is Screen Recorder. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It will automatically begin recording, or maybe after a couple seconds. As you can see, it gives us a timer along with microphone, which will be by default enabled. You can also tap on the drop down to get the show touches, which, as you can see, records this kind of semi-transparent gray dot that follows my finger. This will be obviously visible on a screen recording. Obviously, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up some kind of apps, they will be visible. And once you're done, you can stop by tapping on the countdown there, or timer, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your gallery application. Now, there is one thing to keep in mind when recording screen. Some applications will block it, so just to name a few, Netflix would be one of those apps that blocks screen recorder. Bank accounts will also block screen recorder, and I believe any place where you actually type in passwords, I think blocks the screen recorder, but I could be wrong about that one. But the first ones, I'm pretty sure, banks and Netflix for sure blocks it. Now what that means is when you're recording it, you will have sound and all that stuff, but you just won't have image. All you will see is a black screen. So obviously not something that you might want to record. Anyway, from here, I'm just gonna open up Gallery, just so I can show you the screen recording. So we, I guess, have it under camera. Nope, that's not it. Okay, just get away. Where is the file? Come on. That is interesting. So apparently it saved the screen recording, but I can't locate it under the gallery application, which HUAWEI technology. Let's go. So I'm gonna try to find it somewhere else, like the file manager. Let's go to videos, and apparently there's no videos. Great. Yeah, so it didn't save it for some reason. Let's try it again, I guess. Screen recorder. There we go, it's recording. So something happened with the first one where it just didn't save it for some stupid reason. As you've seen, I did stop it the same way, and now this 4-second one that I just recorded is showing up here. The other one did not. Don't know what happened to it. I have no clue whatsoever. This one recorded, although there was not much to it, so yeah. Anyway, if you found this interesting, informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.